Earthquake hits Nepal, shaking felt in parts of India including capital Delhi. An earthquake of magnitude 5.4 occurred in Nepal at around 7:57 p.m. today. The depth of the earthquake was 10 kilometers below the ground, National Center for Seismology. These three news reports on earthquake. Estimated magnitude 5.1 earthquake. 3 kilometers from Silanga, Nepal. Affected places Nepal, India, and China. Earthquake at 7:58 p.m. reported from Uttarakhand, lasted for about 15 seconds. Tremors felt in Delhi. National Center for Seismology confirms earthquake of magnitude 5.4 occurred on November 12, 2022 at 7:57 p.m. Lot 29.28 and long 81.20, depth 10 kilometers.